In this video, we are going to see one problem from isometric projection. Problem is a sphere of diameter 40 mm rests centrally on top of a cube of side 50 mm. Draw the isometric projection of the solids. கொஸ்டினில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு ஸ்பியர் இருக்குது, அதோட டயாமீட்டர் 40 mm. அது எங்கே இருக்குன்னா ஒரு கியூபுக்கு மேலே பிளேஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. அந்த கியூபோட சைஸ் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 50 mm. They're asking draw the isometric projection. ஸோ இது வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு கம்பைன்ட் சாலிட், காம்பினேஷன் ஆஃப் சாலிட்ஸ். இதில் வந்து ஒரு கியூப் இருக்குது, அந்த கியூபுக்கு மேலே ஒரு ஸ்பியர் இருக்குது. ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் we need to draw the symbol portion of this condition. First here the top view is getting on horizontal plane. So first diagram வந்து horizontal planeல வரும். First வந்து we need to draw the top view of the cube. So cube நம்ம draw பண்ணும்போது cube having two faces, bottom face and top face. Bottom face is PQ, or and yes, it is invisible on the when we look the object from the top, and AB top face ABCD is visible. And then we bring the projection. Before that we need to draw the sphere. Here first நம்ம கியூப் வரைஞ்சு முடிச்சாச்சு. இனி இதுக்கு மேலே என்ன இருக்குது, கியூபுக்கு மேலே ஒரு ஸ்பியர் இருக்குது. ஸோ இந்த ஸ்பியரை நம்ம இங்கே காமிக்கணும். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் we need to find out the center of the cube. So 25. So from this we draw one line, light line, and here also 25, the center of the line. So this point is the center of the cube. So place the compass here. Take the radius of 25 mm. Your compass, take radius of 25 mm and place the compass the center of the cube and draw the sphere. Here the diameter of the sphere is 40, so we need to take the radius of 20 mm. The diameter is 40, so radius 20 mm. Take the dimension in the compass and place the compass at this point. This is the center of the cube, and draw the top view of the sphere portion. Now cube varanjachi, cube மேல இருக்கிற sphere also drawn, and as we bring the projection to the vertical plane. So vertical plane we get the front view of the object. So first one என்ன இருக்குன்னா cube all the sides having equal value. So height is also 50 mm. So for 50 mm height we draw the 2D dimension of the 2D diagram of the cube, and over that cube the prism is located. So here the prism, not a prism, the sphere is located. The diameter of the sphere is 40 is given. So for that, from the top center of the cube we need to mention the radius of the sphere. The radius of the sphere is 20 mm. So from this point we mark the 20 mm distance and take the compass and take radius 20 mm in the compass and place the compass here and draw the sphere diameter of 40 mm. Like this we need to draw, and here it's a sphere, so we mention the diameter S pi. S means sphere diameter 40, and here also we mention the names. Here when you look the object from this side, on the base P visible, Q visible, and R S invisible, top one A visible, B visible, C and D invisible. Next we are going to draw the 3D view, that means the isometric projection of the object. So first draw one straight line and then mark one point in that line. This is the point number 1. I must take the protractor and place in that point. Take an angle of 30 degree on both sides, 30 degree, and now connect these lines from the point 1. Connect the points, and in this diagram also we give the name 1, number 1 2 3 4 on the all corners. Now measure the distance of 1 and 4. So the value is 50. 1 and 4. Place the compass at the point 1 and mark the dimension in the line, and on other side also mark the value. And here this is the point number 4, this is point number 2, and also measure the distance 4 and 3. Here all the points are equal distance only. Is a cube, so all the dimensions are equal from 4 and from 2. Get the point 3 and connect the point 3 and 4 by a line. 3 and 4, connect the point 2 and 3. And now from all these points we are going to bring the projection. Here the base portion of the cube is completed. So the point 1, the name is base portion of the cube P, point 2 is Q, point 3 is R, and point 4 is S. The base portion of the cube is completed. Now we are going to draw the top face of the cube. So here the height of the cube is 50 mm. From all the points, draw a vertical line. From point number 4, draw a line of length 40 mm, sorry 50 mm. The size of the cube is 50. Here exactly comes the point number 1 dash is exactly coming at this place. So this is 1 dash, this point is 4 dash, and from point number 2, draw a vertical line of height 50 mm. This is 2 dash, and from point number 3, draw a vertical line of height 50 mm. This is the point number 5 dash. Now connect all the points 1 and 4, 4 and 5, 5 and 2, and 2 and 3. Now we drawn the top face of the cube. Here also we need to connect point number 1 and 1 dash. We need to connect this point also. So now the cube portion is completed. Over this cube, a sphere is located. So sphere வரையிறதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணனும்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா first we need to connect the diagonal line 4 and 2. 4 and 2 வந்து light lineல என்ன பண்ணுங்க connect பண்ணிட்டு from that center we need to find the center of the cube. Here it's isometric projection. So isometric projection கொடுத்ததுனால we need to find out the isometric scale. Here the radius of the sphere is 20 mm, the diameter is 40 mm. So we need to multiply the radius 20 mm with the isometric scale 0.817. So round off this value 0.82. When we multiply this value, we get the isometric scale value is 16.4 mm. 16.4 mm. So in our scale, we take 16.4 mm value from the center. 16.4 mm. 16.4 approximately comes here. So this is a point. So I mark the point for the center of the sphere. The value is 16.4. The isometric projection கொடுத்ததுனால நம்ம இந்த isometric scale க்கு நம்ம we need to change. So isometric scale க்கு மாத்துறதுக்கு we need to multiply by the value 0.82. So அதோட radius 20 mm, 20 க்கு கூட 0.82 ல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணீங்கன்னா 16.4 கிடைக்கும். அந்த 16.4 இந்த diagonal centerல இருந்து 16.4 க்கு we mark the height 16.4 value. So now this is the center of the sphere. Now we are going to draw the sphere over the cube. அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா காம்பஸ் எடுத்து அந்த ஸ்பியரோட டயாமீட்டர் ஒரிஜினல் டயாமீட்டர் 40 mm, அதோட ரேடியஸ் வந்து 20 mm, 20 mm காம்பஸ்ல எடுத்து இந்த டிஸ்டன்ஸ் மார்க் பண்ண இடத்துல காம்பஸை பிளேஸ் பண்ணி we draw one circle. now mention the dimension on the sphere. So here there is a sphere radius, so we mention S R. S means the sphere, R means radius. Sphere radius 20, and here the height of the center of the sphere is the isometric scale 16.4, and here also we mention the dimension 50, the height of the cube. And in the bottom of the diagram, here this problem is isometric projection, so here we need to write all dimensions are in mm, and here the bottom we show the isometric scale. So in the bottom true length, and in the top is isometric length.